When all of the Altro safety floors have been fitted, the internal and external mitres should be welded first. Groove the joints with a grooving tool. The bottom of the weld where it meets the floor should be trimmed before the base is welded. It's always good practice to carry out a test weld on a spare piece of safety floor to make sure your temperature setting is suitable for the product and conditions. For ease, use the Altro coving speed nozzle, which is specially designed to weld mitres. Cut off the required length of welding rod and feed the rod through the speed nozzle, slowly bringing the gun down the mitre and onto a spatula placed at the bottom, which will give a nice neat finish at the end of the weld. Leave the rod to cool down before cutting and trimming it. Repeat this process around the external mitre. On the external mitre, use the square-shaped router blade. Alternatively, use the concave blade to trim the weld. The weld can then be blended to the floors with the round router blade. Repeat this process with the internal corner.